Hi, my name is Haley Green, and today I'm going to be talking about an important aspect in inventory management that you have interacted with in your day-to-day life, RFID tags. RFID tags are electronic devices. They consist of a microchip and an antenna which store and transmit data using radio waves. These tags can be attached to objects to identify and track them automatically. So you might wonder, what exactly does RFID stand for? RFID stands for Radio Frequency Identification. These systems are used to automatically identify and track tags attached to objects using electromagnetic fields. In stores, RFID can track inventory in real time, and in warehouses, it can instantly locate and log thousands of items. RFID is also used in credit cards and debit cards for contactless payments, allowing for faster and more convenient transactions. Electronics play a central role, both in the RFID tag, which contains a microchip and an antenna, and in the RFID reader, which sends and receives signals to communicate with the tag. RFID has helped solve one of the most challenging problems in electronic devices, which is the need for a power source. RFID tags don't need a battery to work. This is called the passive RFID tag. It doesn't have a battery. Instead, it gets its power wirelessly from the reader. Here's how it works. When the reader emits a radio wave, the tag's antenna picks up that signal and then uses it to power the microchip inside. The clip then sends back all the stored information, like a unique ID number. All of this happens in a split second. The electronics in the tag are designed carefully to operate on very little power and to communicate efficiently over short distances. The data is then transmitted into the RFID database, where it can be stored and evaluated. When we put two cords beside each other and pass AC current through one of them, it will induce the current in the other coil through a magnetic field coupling. The device then uses this current to charge a capacitor to work without a battery. This power is not enough to turn on a screen or move a motor, but it is efficient enough to read data from the device that has been charged. Some fun facts that I learned about RFID tags is that the British military pioneered the use of radio frequency identification to identify friendly and enemy aircraft. RFID is also used in EasyPass. Hitachi manufactures the world's smallest RFID tag, which is just 0.1 inches squared, and can be used in various applications, including tracking honeybees. RFID tags are a perfect example of how tiny electronics can make a big impact in society.